WaveAct, the web-free software company that understands what you want.
Hi everyone, thank you for downloading the Shopify Emphasizer script, and in this short video I will show you how to install and set up the script so that you can reduce your missed consignments when your packagers work on your orders. So let's jump right in. So let's dive in. The first thing we need to install is a browser extension called TamperMonkey, which is basically nothing else than a browser extension that allows you to inject user scripts, like the one that you just downloaded, into an existing website, like Shopify, for example, to change the storefront in our case, which means from a regular 2, we emphasize it to a bold red 2 on the order overview and attach the attention, label to it. You will see it in a second. So the first thing we need to do is we go to Google or any search engine you prefer, and we type in TamperMonkey. Once you typed it in, you should see one of the first ones is tampermonkey.net. So please click on that one, and you will see that they support a wide range of browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Opera, Firefox, and so on. I'm using Brave, which is basically the same as Google Chrome. So if you scroll down, you should see a big green button, Get from Store. I click on that, which should lead me, or should lead you in that case, to this page. So then click on that blue button, add to Brave, add to Google Chrome, install on Firefox, whatever, and say OK. Then let's wait for a couple of seconds, and the new page should open in a few seconds. Exactly. So we don't care about that page. So if it didn't open for you, that's fine. But what we need to do is we are clicking, for example, on Google Chrome, Firefox, it always depends on where you find that button, on that extension icon. Google Chrome, it's the same as here, where you click on the top right navbar, find that puzzle icon where it says extensions, basically. Or if you don't have that, click on the top right, there's an extension menu, basically, or extended menu, where you will also find a menu point, basically in all browsers, saying extension, add-ons, or something like that. So click on that, basically, and find your extension. Right? In my case, I'm in Google Chrome, so I will just click on that one to open the extension itself. And what we want to do here now is we click on that plus icon, which means create a new user script, which is that one. So no worries, we are not going to become developers right here, but what you see here is just the basis for what you just downloaded, and we don't need it, right? So what you can do is just remove everything that's in here and then open your script, basically that order-emphasizer.js. And you see there's a lot of weird code in there. Basically it's not that weird or that much. It really just does emphasizing your order quantities on Shopify. So what we do is we copy the full text content of that file and paste it there. It should look something like this, depending on if you have a newer version that we have changed to keep it working. But on February 2024, it should look like that. So from here, what we're doing now is we click on Save, which means I did press Control S, which is basically on all devices saving your current file, whatever. So basically it's the same keyboard combination as you have in if you save a document in Microsoft Word or something like that. But of course there's also a button. If we click again on this, there, if you go out, it should save automatically. Let me show that for a second. Then let's go here, go somewhere else. Installed. It should be here. It says last refresh 0 minutes ago, which means it should be in there. As you can see, that extra new line. So that's fine. It saves automatically as well. And now we have our code in there. So the last step we need to do is we need to go to settings, that second tab that is going to show up, and scroll down to includes, excludes. Let's try to make it a little bit larger. And let's do user match. For me it says Benutzer match in German. Let's click here. And what we need to do now is in the document we have prepared for you, down there is this admin.shopify.com/store with an asterisk at the end. That's important. Copy that, and that goes in there. And that's about it. And if you have this in there, your Shopify script should work as desired. Let me show you. So of course I had to prepare an example where no user data is being leaked. So as you can see here, we have 2 products, and one has a quantity 1, which means, okay, as usual, nothing to highlight here. But when we go below, someone ordered 5 pieces of that game or of that product, which means we highlight it with in red and bold and attention, so that packagers don't overlook it. And that's basically the whole magic behind it.
WaveAct, the web-free software company that understands what you want.